guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. I'm going to be doing a week in my life, probably like a work week, Monday through Friday, and then we'll start a new vlog on the weekend. But it's 7 o'clock on the dot, and I'm just getting some work done. I showered, I was outside, you guys. It's literally 60, what did I just see? I saw like 67 degrees out. It's beautiful. So I was reading my book, trying to get through the book that I'm reading. I'm still on the same book that I've been on since like February. I don't know if I'm in a reading rut or if I'm just not loving this book, but it's taken me so long to get through, and this book has such good reviews. So I don't know if it's me or what, but I'm just like not loving it. So I would like to get some reading done tonight. However, right now I need to package up some orders that just came through for the store, get those out first thing tomorrow, and I also need to organize my work bag because if you guys are new here, hi, we are getting some house stuff done. So our cabinets are getting painted and they're just about finished. I would show you guys, but it's a mess down there. And they're starting our stairs. So we put in new flooring when we bought the house, and the stairs don't match. Like, it looks really funky. So I'll show you guys the progress, but they did say that while doing the stairs we either have to stay upstairs or downstairs, and obviously we want to leave the house and our kitchen downstairs, and just obvious reasons we want to stay downstairs. So I need to like organize everything that I will need for the next few days. He said we should be okay, so hopefully it's just like for the day, but I want to be prepared, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna get some work done, do some organizing, do some laundry. I need a new show to watch because I just finished Euphoria, which was so good. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me in these next few days. I need to get like my spin stuff. I just gotta do all the things. It feels like I'm like going away, but I'm simply just going downstairs. But just in case we're not able to access our stairs, I want to just make sure I have everything. Like I said, he said we should be okay, but better safe than sorry. But I'll show you guys the stairs and what they're doing. Okay, so hoping that you are able to tell, but this is like a cherry hardwood, and then they're just sanding it so it matches the hardwood floor. I know the lighting isn't great, but that's what they're working on. So this is going to match the floors, and then the risers will be white, and then we're going to get a black railing, and I think it's going to look so good. But you can kind of tell the difference. This is where he stopped. The difference between these two steps. They're all going to look like this. Okay, comment below, have you guys started packing up your winter stuff? Because I'm starting. I have all my summer stuff that I need to go through, bathing suits, and I already started my donation pile. Hey you guys, so it is now Tuesday. It is 9:50. I just left my workout. Oh my gosh, it is so, I never thought this day would come where I'd say it's so hot out, but it feels so good. It's only 55 degrees, and that's when you know. My friend just texted me. She's like, why can't it be like this all the time? And it's only 55 degrees, but it feels so warm. Like, it literally feels gorgeous out. So I left my workout a little early just because I want to shower before. I think I told you guys that we're having work done in the house and the stairs, so I want to be able to shower before they start doing the stairs, and Brad just told me they just started, so I'm like, oh crap. I mean, we have a bathroom downstairs with my father-in-law, so I can shower down there if I need to, but I also would rather shower in my own shower. So we'll see when we get there, but it is so nice out, you guys. I want to be outside. I was going to go to Target or TJ Maxx, but I just want to be outside before starting work. Brad said it's really loud in my house though, so I might have to work outside. I don't know. We'll figure this out when I get there, but yeah, it's supposed to be so nice out this week. Friday's going to be like 85. I'm just like loving this weather. It puts me in such a good mood. So yeah, I want to get outside. I want to read my book and just grabbing a nice coffee, which, ooh, should I get dunks or Starbucks? I'm gonna do dunks. But yeah, I usually don't like to get my coffees out. I prefer to just get them at home, make like with my Nespresso, but it's just mayhem. It's so crazy downstairs. It gives me anxiety, so I literally lock myself in the office or the the room because it's just very overwhelming. All of our dishes and everything are like everywhere, and I like tried to organize, but there's just no way to even organize it. I think that they had said that the cabinet should be finished today, so I'm like, please, because I like need my kitchen and I need to just be able to like put everything away. It's just giving me a little anxiety because it's just mayhem, but it's fine. All right, we're gonna get dunks and then head home. Hopefully I can take a quick shower and get outside and read, because one, I want to finish my book, and two, I just want to be outside. Like, isn't it so crazy to think that like this weather, I'm pretty sure, is like people's winter, but this is like so nice out to like New Englanders, people who live in cooler climates. But anyways, I'll check with you guys later. Spin was such a good class. Kind of bummed I skipped the yoga, especially because there was only 13 minutes left of the session, but I don't know, I just like wasn't in the mood to stay. So I'll check with you guys later on. You guys, so it's now 1 o'clock, started work, got ready just because I was stuck up here because he was doing the stairs, so I was like, why not? But got some confetti work done, did a little bit of reading, and they're here, so that's why I'm being quiet. But I showed you guys a snippet of the cabinets and stairs. I think they're going to be done either today or tomorrow. It's like night and day. If you guys have been around since the painters and that whole fiasco, it was insane. But I just got a package, and so I'm going to show you guys what I got from a boutique called Renovations. They have really cute stuff. And I saw this dress and I was like, wait, I need that. And it was only like $35. So I'll link these pieces below. I don't really have anywhere to wear it, but I'm obsessed. It's so pretty, like the color. I love it. It's like so cute for a little date night, and I feel like you could dress it up or dress it down with like some, looks kind of big, so I'll have to try it on, but big as in like the chest area, and I just don't have anything to fill it in. I thought I got a small, but we'll try it on. Dresses, because I have wider hips, I like to, it's just hard because they'll like go up in the back, so we'll try that on. But so stinking cute. And then, okay, so funny story, I had these in my cart and I didn't realize, and then I hit checkout just thinking I had that dress, but I ended up having this too. But I like them, so I like didn't need to get these, and they don't do refunds. You get store credit, and I was like, nah, whatever, like too late. But I do like them. They are, you guys know I'm in like my trouser jogger era, and I really like these. It's like a little crop top. I feel like it would be so cute. So that's what I got, which is so funny because I know this brand vendor for the boutique, and I'm like, they definitely like upcharged me crap ton because I saw those pants. But anyways, besides the point, I love this dress. Oh, I really hope it fits. If not, it should. I'm just nervous about this area, but I think it'll be fine. Look how cute. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty, so stinking pretty. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to work. I just want to show you guys that package and see you guys later on. I know the lighting in here is not great, but I'm going to show you guys the finished product, and I'm going to start cleaning and putting away, but the cabinets look so good, and then they're going to finish up the stairs tomorrow. Okay, it's a mess, and I'm being quiet because he's waiting in the garage, but it looks so good. I'm obsessed. I'll do a better overview tomorrow, and when the lighting's better, it's going to look so good. And then a little stair update. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, so they sanded and started to paint. They can't get it exactly, but they're gonna try their best to match, and I think I know the lighting's not great, but it's super close. And then tomorrow they're gonna paint the risers white. It's gonna look so good. I'm excited. It's just, I love it because it's like so bright. Looks so good. Guys, so it's now Thursday. It is 2 o'clock. Today is flying by. I feel like this whole week went by really fast. I know I didn't vlog yesterday, but honestly, there wasn't really much to show you guys. So yeah, I know it's gonna be a week of my life besides Wednesday, so I do apologize, but we'll continue on this vlog. So yeah, it's Thursday. I want to get outside, you guys. It's 85 degrees out. Like, so nice. I need to get out, but I have so much work that I still need to get done. So I was gonna go to spin tonight, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna go for a walk in the neighborhood. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna read my book and just vibe out outside. I'm so excited. We're making steak tips on the grill. I need to be outside, but I need to get some work done. So anyways, wanted to start off this vlog. Today oh my gosh, I have to show you the cabinets in the stairs. I'll show you that after. But yeah, it's been productive. We just had someone come over to estimate the bathroom because I want to get the bathroom remodeled. Right now it's just really outdated. So that should be exciting. We're just waiting to hear back for a quote, and I was able to like show him pictures of like what I want. So he said it should be within budget, so we'll see. And then we had our AC clean. So it's been such a productive week. I feel like we're just getting ready for the spring and summer and finally like nailing down projects around the house, which is very exciting. So anyways, I gotta go back to work, but just wanted to say hi. Only 2.5 more hours to go. Guys, so it is about 7:15 and I have a little story time for you guys. So working away, and the internet has been going like in and out the past few days, and I assumed it was because one of our neighbors is building a pool. So I was like, they must just be doing like electrical work and it's just making the internet go in and out, whatever. And so internet went completely out, and I waited like 5 minutes and I was like, okay, that's weird. Like usually it's just off and on. And then I went downstairs and everything was off. So we lost power. We've been without power now going on 4 hours, which hasn't been bad because it's been so nice out, but now it's getting dark and it's only 7 o'clock. And so I was like, okay, I'll go to spin. But I don't know, I just like wasn't in the mindset that I was gonna work out. And also we had made dinner because we originally got a text from the electric company that the power was gonna be back at 5. So I was like, perfect, like whatever, Brad and I will have a night together before he goes and coaches. And then we got another text that the power won't be on until 9. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna lay in bed, charge my phone on my laptop until it dies, I guess, and then I guess just, I don't know, hang out. I have my Kindle, which last night I was like, oh, it's at 35%, like I should really charge it. But the one good thing about Kindles, they last a while, like the battery life. But I was reading outside and now I'm like, oh my goodness, I think my Kindle's now at like 20%. So yeah, I'm kind of running out of things to do. So anyways, probably won't be much to show you guys tonight, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey you guys, so it is now Friday morning. It's 6:15. I'm on my way to spin, and you guys, it is already, I think, 60 degrees out. Yep, 60 degrees. It's gonna be a good one today, and I'm like, oh, Brad has today off, my sister has today off. She's like, come on, just come to the beach. But I don't know, part of me like wants to because I have so much PTO to just take the day. But then the other part of me is like, just save it. There's gonna be plenty of other like nice days. And I have the flexibility to work outside, and I work at a call center. So if I do get a call, I can just like go inside. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, especially because I have a lot of work that we need to get done. Plus the 2 hours of work lost from losing power yesterday. Like I don't want to take 10 hours of PTO for the week. So I'm thinking we're gonna work. But anyways, I'm on my way to spin. I got up, no problem. I hate people that drive trucks sometimes. Not all of them, but most of them. It's like, you're gonna speed up to get one car ahead of me. Really, like, relax. But anyways, so on my way to spin, I woke up so easily. It was so the power came back on literally like 20 minutes after I recorded that last clip. I recorded for the podcast, so that felt really good. And then went to bed. I wanted to get a good night's sleep because I really want to, I feel like I say this all the time, but I want to get better at just like being consistent with working out. And the only time I could go was this morning, and it's a Machine Gun Kelly playlist, so I'm very, very excited. So that was like motivating to get up. And my sister was supposed to come, but I don't think, yeah, she just texted me saying, ugh, I don't think she got up. So I'm gonna miss her. But anyways, it's gonna be a good spin class. I am gonna end this vlog here. I hope that there was enough clips. If not, this is like literally what a week of my life looks like. So I want to start a new vlog and do a weekend in my life and start it on Friday just because, I don't know, I like starting my weekend vlogs on Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm literally going to start up a new vlog like right after spin, so make sure you subscribe. So the reason I want to do this is I want to get ahead of schedule. I feel so good, like even the podcast, I'm now 2 weeks ahead, which just feels amazing. So I want to like do that with YouTube as well, just kind of, and then maybe I'll be able to like lean into record or uploading 2 times a week. I don't know, but anyways, love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. And before we leave, I want to just say thank you guys because my channel is growing slowly but surely, and it just means the world. And numbers don't matter at all. Like I don't even really look at them, but just seeing like the amount of subscribers go up when I've been like kind of stuck around like the 425 mark, 420 mark, and seeing it now go up to like almost, I think we're at like 440 this time, which just means a lot. And that happened just in a short time period. And yeah, it's like it's really hard to grow, and yeah, it just means a lot to me. So anyways, and same with the podcast and the store, like sales have been insane, which is so, I'm just, oh, this road always like scares me because it's a huge hill and you can't see if anyone's coming, and there's like a bunch of potholes. But yeah, the boutique has just been crazy, which is such, I'm just so grateful for you guys. And I think the podcast, like it's just such exciting things are happening, and it means the world. So I'm gonna go get my workout in. I am like wide awake. Like this feels amazing. Like even if I was to call out, which I just talked myself out of doing, I was up. I was like, I'm ready to go. We're going. And I didn't even have really any of this energy drink, which this one's my favorite. I just ordered some Alani Nu, the berry pop one. I really like these flavors, the Ghost. However, I need like a variety pack because drinking the same flavor just gets so old. But the Alani Nu berry pop, I love that one. That's the one that Addison Rae did. I love that one. That one's really good. At first I didn't, but I could drink that one like every day. Which, by the way, guys, I literally only have like 3 sips of this. I don't like drink a whole thing every day. That would be crazy. It's like literally, this is still full and I'll be done for the day. So, alright, enough of that. I will see you guys in my next video. Just wanted to say I'm so grateful for you guys, and yeah, love you. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to start with another vlog right after spin.